democratizing advanced manufacturing. Surface mount technology, or SMT, is changing the game, bringing about a revolution in the manufacturing sector. Its benefits are numerous and impactful. For starters, SMT dramatically increases production speed. This means manufacturers can churn out more products in less time, boosting efficiency and output. But that's not all. SMT requires significantly less space than traditional methods. This reduction in space requirement allows manufacturers, big and small, to optimize their workspace and streamline operations. SMT also enhances component performance. How? By allowing for the production of smaller, more complex devices. Now, manufacturers aren't limited by size constraints. They can create intricate, high-quality products, expanding the possibilities and pushing the boundaries of what's achievable. This is how SMT is democratizing advanced manufacturing. It's making it possible for manufacturers of all sizes to compete. With SMT, even the smallest manufacturers can produce high-quality, complex products, leveling the playing field in the manufacturing industry. Imagine the possibilities when AI and SMT work together in harmony. This dynamic duo is revolutionizing the world of manufacturing. AI, with its ability to learn and adapt, optimizes the SMT process, making it more efficient and accurate. It eliminates errors, reduces waste, and increases productivity. On the other hand, SMT provides the physical framework for AI systems. It's the solid foundation on which AI can flex its intellectual muscles. This powerful combination is not just for the big players. It's empowering manufacturers of all sizes to compete on a global scale. Small-scale manufacturers can now punch above their weight thanks to AI and SMT. They can produce high-quality products at a lower cost and in less time. They can be nimble, adaptive, and responsive to market changes. AI and SMT are not just changing the manufacturing industry, they are democratizing it, making advanced manufacturing accessible to all.